God, look at this mess. Mildew everywhere. The side panels are hollow and unstable.
Oh.
And the rear door is much the same. I'll mark the weaknesses here. We've got a lot of work ahead. All right, phase 1 assessment complete. Keep coming. Slowly. Yes, right there. Perfect. Stop. All right, lowering the bed. Keep going. Slowly. Perfect. Careful, keep it centered. Almost there. Let's make sure it's tight. Keep it coming. Slowly now. Right there. All right, slowly now. Watch the gap.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we're working with here. Looks like she held up okay on the transport. Just need to check for any new weak spots. It's really coming off now. Just need to break these bolts loose. All right, thick black mold. Going steady, clear the roof. All right, align the hoist. Chains secured. Slow and steady, lifting the block.
All right, time to make these look brand new.
Brake lines look good. Calipers are tight. Diffs solid. The cylinder head looks solid, no cracks.
All right, time to install the new timing chain and water pump. Just need to ensure these alignment marks are exact. Torque.
Almost done now. Just the corners. Perfect, done. All right, this firewall is spotless.
The wet clear coat is reflecting the lights without any distortion, and there are no imperfections to be found.
All right, section 1 down. Now for the floor well. Looking good, steady hands. Just need a slow, controlled torque. Perfect. All right, time to install these gauges. All right, perfect alignment. Tightening the column now.